Welcome back to another ammo review video with Brotuned. My name's Ryan, and today we're going to be shooting Lapua Center-X out of my CZ 457 with the IBI barrel. All our shot data will be recorded and I'll display it at the end of the video. You can take a look at the extreme spreads, standard deviations, max velocities, all that kind of stuff. So make sure you check that out. We're at 50 yards, and as usual, 10 shots for fouling on a 2-inch sticky, and then we do 4 5-shot groups, and then 5th group we always do a 10 shot just to finish it off, and that gives us 40 shots totally fired, and all our data is comparable across the board. So let's get shooting. High and left. Not sure what happened there. Okay, so our 10 foulers are out of the way now. Let's get to shooting some groups. First 5-shot group, I'm going to go up 1/10. Group number 2. That looks about 1/2 inch, so we're about an MOA. Group number 3. That looks like a very, very nice group. Group number 4. And another beautiful group. So Center-X actually works really, really well in this IBI barrel. Like, really well. Alright, 10-shot group, final group. Failure to extract, same as the SK. In our 10-shot group too. Oh no. Start to sweat. Another failure to extract. Hopefully we can get back in on our group here. That one just stovepiped a bit. Let's not wreck this group. Okay, so that concludes our Lapua Center-X test. Obviously we can all say this stuff works really well in this barrel and rifle setup. It's a little more expensive than the SK, but when you're shooting one whole 10-shot groups, that's pretty crazy. So yeah, this stuff's awesome.